Many gardeners prefer simple, low-cost methods to protect their plants from common pests. One widely used homemade solution can be prepared using basic household ingredients, including dishwashing soap, white vinegar, cooking oil, and water. These materials are inexpensive, easily available, and quick to combine into an effective garden spray. To prepare the mixture, begin with a clean container that can hold at least 1 liter of liquid. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated or finely shaved dishwashing soap. A lemon-scented soap, such as Lemon Max, can be used, though any similar dishwashing soap is suitable. Breaking the soap into small pieces helps it dissolve more efficiently in water. Next, pour in 1 liter of water to dilute the mixture and ensure it can be evenly applied to plant surfaces. After that, add 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Vinegar is commonly used in garden solutions due to its acidic properties. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Any standard cooking oil can be used. The oil helps the solution adhere better to leaves and can also assist in coating soft-bodied insects when directly sprayed. Once all ingredients are added, stir the mixture thoroughly. Proper mixing is essential to ensure the soap fully dissolves. If not blended well, undissolved soap particles may remain, which can later clog the spray nozzle. For best results, a blender can be used to achieve a smooth and uniform solution. Continue mixing until no visible soap fragments remain. This step helps ensure the spray bottle functions properly without blockage. After the solution is fully prepared, transfer it into a clean spray bottle. If needed, strain the liquid through a fine cloth or mesh to remove any remaining particles and prevent clogging. The spray should be applied directly to plant leaves, covering both the upper and lower surfaces where insects often hide. Ensure an even coating, but avoid excessive dripping from the foliage. Timing is also important when applying garden sprays. Early morning or late afternoon is ideal, as cooler temperatures reduce plant stress and allow the solution to remain effective for longer. Spraying during peak heat should be avoided to prevent possible leaf damage. Before treating the entire garden, test the solution on a small section of a plant. Wait 24 to 48 hours and observe for any signs of discoloration or damage, as different plants may react differently. Regular monitoring of plants is recommended. Inspect leaves, stems, and new growth frequently for pest activity or damage. If necessary, reapply the spray after a few days to maintain protection. Finally, always clean the spray bottle after use. Rinse the nozzle and all parts with clean water to prevent residue buildup. This helps maintain proper spray performance and prevents clogging in future use.